Shane, how you doing? This is David from Tameron Honda. Appreciate your interest in our 2018 Honda HRV. You being an experienced Honda owner and experienced purchaser from Tameron, you know how well we're going to treat you here. You know how dependable and reliable these Honda cars are. You're not going to be disappointed in the 2018 HRV. Beautiful in the misty green color that you requested. 17-inch alloy wheels. Breakaway side mirrors with the LED markers as well. Great feature. Power moonroof, sunroof with your tinted visor. Go in the interior of the vehicle, will not be disappointed. Beautiful touchscreen audio system. Also, the exclusive Honda Lane Watch camera. I'm sure you have family members that may even have that same system, same feature on their vehicles. Great blind spot lane watch for you. So give me a call, 205-910-3747. Looking forward to hearing from you, Shane. We're going to get you behind the wheel this 2018 HRV. If I can promise you one thing, when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.